across the furnace breathes again. My hammer rings like judgment, echoing through the tin. Ashes climb the rafters where the faithful used to pray, and I hear the ghosts of metal scream the words I couldn't say. I'm not the saint they wanted, I'm the sinner that remains, kneeling in the cinders, baptized by flame. I forge the thunder, I burn my name. Under godless skies I rise from the flame. Every star a sermon, every spark of vow. The world won't hear my prayers, but it hears me now. I've traded sleep for steel and guilt for song. Heaven fell quiet when the bells came down. I see my shadow welded to the wall. The man I was died with the first swing's call. Pain became my teacher, silence turned to him, and mercy hides its face in the firelight dim. I forge the thunder, I burn my name. Under godless skies I rise from the flame. Every star a sermon, every spark of vow. The world won't hear my prayers, but it hears me now. The metal cries, the hammer falls between heaven's cracks and factory walls. I saw my soul inside the blaze, black and bent, but still it stays. I forge the thunder, I bear the pain. From ash to ash I rise again. No choir, no crown, just smoke and sound. And a sinner who learned to stand his ground. He walks home under the bleeding sky, rain in his coat, thunder in his spine. The door glows faint, a fragile flame. He grips the handle, whispers his own name. Inside, the laughter he can't join. Outside, the storm that sounds like coin on coin. He breathes the cold to stay alive, afraid the warmth might wash away the fight. He buried the light beneath his roof, built his heart from nail and truth. He never prayed, he never lied, he just kept the storm outside. No saints to bless, no She left her lipstick on the rim like blood on a prayer. The coffee cold, the room still humming in the air. I wipe my hands on oil-stained blue, but her ghost stay in everything I do. Engine spin where our voices used to stay, and I drink the smoke she left that day. Love don't fade, it rusts and burns, turns to metal in the gears that turn. I drink my own shadow, swallow the flame. She's in the nose, she's in the chain. The cross on the wall don't shine no more. I found my heaven in the factory roar. I drink my own shadow, and I still say her name. The mirror shows a man, half machine, with hands that tremble, hearts unseen. Every spark of confession, every cut of him. I taste the silence and the smoke that clings. There's no forgiveness in this town of steel, but I'll bleed enough to make it real. The flame remembers what I forgot. Love's not gone, it just got hot. I drink my own shadow, swallow the flame. She's in the noise, she's in the chain. Cross on the wall don't shine no more. I found my heaven in the factory roar. I drink my own shadow, and I still say her name. Her laughter lives inside the gears. Every spin grinds down my ears. If sin's the price for feeling true, then damn me twice. I still choose you. I drink my own shadow. I burn, I pray in the glow of sparks where night turns day. I force my heart from guilt and flame, and every beat still speaks her name. She never left, she just changed shape. Now she rides the thunder my hands create. You climb the post where heaven cracks, boots in the mud, storm at your back. Thunder screams like God's own test, lightning close enough to smell your breath. Your brother burned where the wires cross, and every spark since then you pay his cost. You ain't reaching for grace or fame. You climb so the dark remembers your name. You hang from the thunderline between sin and the holy sky. The world below forgets your fight, but you pull dawn out of the night. You're not asking to be saved, just to shine. You're the man hanging from the thunderline. Your gloves are torn, your faith is rust. The The wind speaks in the voice you trust. You smell the rain, you taste the fear. You prayed enough, but no one hears. Still every flicker that breaks the gloom feels like a hymn for the nameless doom. You don't believe in angels' hands, just wire and fire. And where you stand, you hang from the thunder line between sin and the holy sky. The city sleeps, the cables hum, your cross is steel, your crown is numb. You're not asking to be saved, just to shine. You're the man hanging from the thunder line. Lightning dances on your spine, ash and light, the same design. You don't climb for heaven's call, you climb so nigh, won't win at all. You hang from the thunder line, forged from grief, reborn through time. Each spark you light's a borrowed prayer, each scar a vow you still repair. You don't need wings, you justify. You're the man hanging